Welcome to the top picks. The best cheese gifts is probably one of the most delightful and sophisticated ways to show appreciation for anyone who savors the rich, diverse world of artisanal cheeses, transforming a simple snack into an elevated culinary experience that truly speaks to their refined palate and passion for gourmet indulgence, making every occasion a little more special and delicious. Number 5. Bambusi Large Bamboo Charcuterie Board Set. Looking for a thoughtful present? This elegant charcuterie board set makes an ideal gift for weddings, birthdays, or housewarmings. It's designed to bring joy to any celebration. It's especially perfect for new homeowners and couples. Imagine them enjoying special moments together, creating beautiful spreads with this versatile set. Hosting has never been simpler. You can effortlessly create stunning charcuterie, cheese, or dessert boards for any event, from casual family gatherings to festive holiday parties. This large bamboo board offers ample space for all your favorite snacks. It even features a hidden slide-out drawer, keeping serving knives and accessories neatly organized and ready for use. Crafted from durable bamboo, this set is built to last. It's perfect for everyday use and will be a cherished centerpiece for countless gatherings and celebrations for years to come. What we like? This board offers a complete hosting solution with its spacious design and integrated accessories. If you're a frequent entertainer who values convenience and a polished presentation, this set is perfect for you. It simplifies party prep, allowing you to focus on your guests. What people say. Number 4. Bamboo Charcuterie Board Gift Set. Elevate your entertaining with this all-in-one charcuterie board. It provides everything you need for a stunning spread, from meats and cheeses to fruits and crackers. Say goodbye to clutter with its ingenious hidden pull-out drawers. These keep your stainless steel knives neatly organized and out of sight, ensuring a sophisticated presentation. Crafted from premium, sustainable bamboo, this board is built to last. It's strong, smooth, and naturally resistant to odors and moisture, making it easy to clean and maintain. Looking for a thoughtful present? This beautifully designed set makes an ideal gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special celebration. It's practical and sure to impress. Its large serving surface and dedicated compartment simplify styling for any event. Whether it's a cozy date night or a grand family gathering, it helps you host effortlessly. What we like? This elegant board stands out with its clever hidden drawers, keeping knives neatly tucked away. If you appreciate a sleek, clutter-free setup and want to impress your guests with a sophisticated presentation, this is an excellent choice. It combines functionality with refined aesthetics. What people say. No positive details found in reviews. No positive details found in reviews. Number 3. Mozzarella and Ricotta Cheese Making Kit. Ever dreamed of crafting your own delicious cheese at home? This kit makes it simple and fun to create fresh mozzarella and ricotta right in your kitchen. It's a comprehensive 5-piece DIY kit, designed to give you everything you need. No more searching for individual ingredients, it's all here. Inside, you'll find high-quality cheesecloth, vegetable rennet, citric acid, and cheese salt. Plus, a cooking thermometer ensures perfect results every time. Looking for a unique present? This makes an excellent gift for food enthusiasts, home cooks, or anyone who loves Italian cuisine. They'll cherish the experience. With these Italian cheese-making supplies, you can easily bring the taste of Italy to your table. Enjoy the satisfaction of making your own gourmet cheeses. What we like? This unique kit provides everything you need to craft fresh mozzarella and ricotta at home. If you're an adventurous food lover who enjoys hands-on culinary projects, this will be a delightful experience. It's a fantastic way to explore new flavors and skills. What people say. Number 2. Bambusi Large Bamboo Charcuterie Board Gift Set. Looking for a thoughtful present? This elegant set makes an ideal choice for Mother's Day, weddings, housewarmings, or birthdays. It's a gift that truly impresses. Build an exquisite platter with ease. It includes a large bamboo board, a round serving tray, ceramic bowls, and essential knives and forks. Everything you need for a stunning spread is right here. Crafted from durable, high-quality bamboo, it boasts a smooth, polished finish. This ensures a clean, natural look that's sturdy enough for daily use and elegant for any special gathering. Its smart layout features deep grooves for crackers and removable bowls for dips. Plus, cutout handles make it effortless to carry from your kitchen to any party. Designed by Bambusi, this versatile board is perfect for easy hosting, gifting, or everyday serving. Use it as a charcuterie board, appetizer tray, or snack platter for any occasion. What we like. This versatile set features a unique round serving tray and smart layout with deep grooves. If you host gatherings often and need an easy-to-carry board that keeps snacks organized, this design is incredibly practical. It's perfect for effortless serving from kitchen to patio. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted as requested. Number 1. Tirrinia Portable Wine Picnic Table. Discover the Tirrinia Portable Wine Picnic Table. This lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. It's ideal for all your outdoor adventures, from concerts to beach trips. Its clever design allows for effortless storage and minimal space. This versatile table seamlessly transitions from an outdoor picnic essential to a convenient bed service tray, perfect for any season. Looking for the perfect present? This elegant table is an ideal gift for wine enthusiasts, weddings, or any special occasion. It allows them to enjoy their favorite beverages with style, wherever they go. Despite its compact size, it offers ample space for snacks, drinks, and cheese. It features built-in holders for 4 wine glasses or soda cans, plus a unique bottle hole that doubles as a convenient handle. A 0.27-inch deep groove prevents items from rolling off, ensuring everything stays in place. Its multifunctional holders accommodate various glass types, making it truly versatile for any beverage. We've reinforced its bamboo legs with sturdy nails, ensuring exceptional stability and durability. You can trust it to withstand the elements and hold your items securely, wherever you use it. What we like. This innovative portable table is designed for outdoor enjoyment, featuring foldable legs and integrated wine glass holders. If you love picnics, concerts, or beach trips and want to enjoy wine elegantly on the go, this is an absolute must-have. It makes outdoor entertaining incredibly convenient and stylish. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.